Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious pot of smoky jollof rice using fish. Let's get started. Yes, this is actually my first time of making jollof rice with fish. I'm always using chicken, turkey, beef, but today I decided to use fish, and this came out so nice. The taste was so good. So for this recipe I'll be using the mackerel fish. You can get the mackerel fish from any store around you, or in Nigeria we also call it the Titus fish. So let's get started. I brought out my mackerel fish, then I washed the fish thoroughly. Make sure to wash the fish thoroughly. After washing the fish, you take out all the dirt that is in the fish. Yes, make sure to take them out. So after washing this fish, I cut into different sizes. You can cut in any size of your choice. So I went ahead to season the fish with curry, thyme, rosemary, salt and seasoning powder. So now I'll be boiling this fish. I also blended ginger, garlic and onion to give it very nice flavor. Yeah, the ginger, garlic and onion is ready, and I sprinkle it around the fish. After that, I put it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I get my tomato puree ready. For the tomato puree, I'll be using onion, ginger, garlic, red bell pepper. Now we can see that the fish is well boiled. So after boiling, here I have curry, thyme, rosemary. I'll be using this for my tomato puree. I'll be boiling the tomato first, then I added ginger and garlic also, then sprinkle some oil on it. I also added onions, bay leaf. Then I'll cover this to cook for 2 to 3 minutes in a low heat. So the fish is ready. In the air fryer, I'll air fry the fish for some minutes. I went ahead to check the tomato and bell pepper. Now for this, you can also put it in your oven if you don't want to use the boiling method. The reason why I added all my spice to this tomato is to give it a very nice flavor. Now when you add the spice, the ginger, garlic, onion, or every spice you wish to use to prepare the jollof rice, it gives it a very nice flavor. It's time to make the jollof sauce. In a pan, I added vegetable oil, onions, and I give it a very good mix. You fry the onions, then I added thyme. After adding the thyme, I gave it a very good mix. Then I added curry powder. Now I go in with these ingredients before adding my tomato puree. So after adding the ginger, thyme and curry, I added the tomato paste. Now when you add your tomato paste, make sure you fry the tomato paste very well, because when the tomato paste is well fried, it's not going to have this sour taste. It's going to give the food a very nice flavor. After frying the tomato paste for a while, then I added the blended tomato. The tomato that I boiled earlier with the spice, I went ahead to blend, then I added to fry. Then after frying for some time, I added the fish stock. Then I added some salt and I gave it a mix. After adding salt, I added seasoning powder. You can add salt and seasoning powder to your taste. Then the last thing I did was to add the well washed rice. After adding the rice, I gave it a mix. After giving it a very good mix, to combine all the ingredients, and make sure that the stove is set on a low heat. To all my viewers, thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my videos, and to my amazing subscribers, thank you so much for the growth. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe. So I went on to cover this rice with the foil paper. The reason why I covered it with the foil paper is to allow the steam cook the rice well. Remember, I said the rice, your stove should be set on a medium heat. Now I will use the foil paper to cover it and allow it to cook for 30 to 35 minutes because it's on a low heat. Please make sure to try this method of cooking your smoky jollof rice. I assure you, you will not want to use any other method because this rice tastes so good. It came out so nice and the flavor was wow. Just give it a try. I assure you, you will enjoy your rice. You will not want to make your jollof rice using another way. You will stick to this particular way of making jollof rice. Now can we see the smoke coming out of it? So I went ahead to give it a mix. At this point you will test to be sure if you need anything, but I assure you, you won't be needing anything because your fish stock already has good seasoning in it and good spice in it, and also the tomato puree already has good spice in it. It has absorbed the good spice which you added earlier, and making the sauce also already absorbed all the spice. So when you put all this together and add your rice, it's going to be wow. So you don't need to add too much or do anything much because you already got what you wanted from the beginning while making the sauce. So guys, I would like to know in the comment section if you'll be trying out the smoky jollof rice using fish. It's so nice. It's very easy to make, it's very quick, and it's very delicious. You will enjoy it, your family will love it. So guys, if you are still watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this. The list of ingredients will be in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in my next one.